Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you the OG silver bullet. Okay, the OG silver bullet is what is the second stage of accumulation or distribution in the market maker models, and it's the OG silver bullet because that's what ICT referenced as the silver bullet for the longest time until 2023 when he came out with the ICT time-based silver bullet models. Okay, so I want to show you something that I called out the exact price, and I'm going to show you how you could potentially do the same thing if you watch this video. Right now it is 1241, so I'll put a line here. It's 1241 right there, okay? I'm going to show you this image right here. This was in a Discord group that I'm in, and this person, Jack, he was responding to someone that said they expect price to go higher. He said, let's see, I'm on the other side of the argument. After the previous daily high is taken out, now we can continue down. Obviously, right here, we took out the previous daily high right there, right? And I responded to Jack, basically agreeing with him and saying, I'd like this consolidation to spike up for a turtle soup entry around 1330 and trade lower for a silver bullet setup to go short with a terminus of 4385.5. That's what I'd like to see, but PA, price action, will give the narrative. Okay? That's 1241. You can see the time right here, it's 1141. That's because I'm in Central Time. This is Eastern Time, so it's 1 hour ahead. This is exactly when that post was made, okay? This is the consolidation that I'm talking about. First, let me tell you why I said that, okay? This is obviously a previous daily high. It's obviously a higher time frame PDRA, right? Like it's the high of the previous day. It's an old high. It's the previous day high, right? Now we're looking for some kind of reaction. We're expecting a reaction. So I drop down to the 1 hour or 1 minute time frame, and I see, observe, see if we get things. We get an order block here. We have a market structure shift, right? You can say this is a market structure shift here as well if you'd like. Here's your order block, so I'd consider that the low risk sell. Okay, and at that point, I'm thinking, okay, it's a market maker model on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so I pull the fib from the high to the manipulation leg to the low, and I look down and I got two and a half standard deviations right here. 43.8550. 43.8550. Okay, that's where I was targeting. Now ES, I know I hear likes to go to the -2. I was kind of aiming for 2.5. Okay, so I know like NQ is 2.5. So you know that's what I was looking for. So now let's go candle by candle and we'll see what happens here. Okay, I'm wanting to see a spike up. Okay, for me, that's the turtle soup entry. Okay, take out these relative equal highs here, run on buy stops, first stage of distribution, right here. Right. So there's your turtle soup entry. What time is that? 13 to 13, a little earlier, around 13:30. It's close on the time. Not exact science for the timeline, but it's close. Let me just slide this over so you're going to miss everything. Okay. So now we're looking for, okay, hold on. Now there's a breaker block right here. Okay. There's the down candle. So we have a high, a low, higher high, breaks through. When it comes back up, that would be our OG silver bullet entry, not time-based. And where would we be targeting? Well, right now, we're aiming for this 2385. Okay? Let me just extend this to the right here. Extend lines right. Okay. There's our target right there. Okay, so now there's a fair value gap right here as well inside the breaker. Okay, so now if it comes up here, we can target the low. And so if we were here, where would we, how far would that go? That would be a 12 handle move. Okay, so that's a good silver bullet setup. And there you go. There's your silver OG silver bullet entry. I'll put that on here. OG silver bullet. That's that entry right there. And where's it target? Okay, look at that. This candle right here, if you look at the low right over here, on this candle right here, oops, right here, the low, 43.85.50. 43.85.50. 43.85.50. Look up here again, just to show you. 43.85.50. And would I have put my stop right at there? No, I probably would have been 1 or 2 ticks above, just to make sure it gets traded through so I get taken out. But that's pretty accurate 44 minutes earlier calling it using the fib projections to the tick, accurate. You're going to tell me that this is random, right? It's not buying and selling pressure. There is a technical science to it. This is the OG silver bullet setup, aiming for 2.5 standard deviations from a market maker model on the 1 minute time frame based on taking out the previous day high.